I think that with the new update with the Annex 1 and the contamination strategy, environmental monitoring is going to have more relevance, and it needs to be better understanding, especially for people that is not part of the lab. There are a lot of things that you could track even before of one contamination event could happen. If you have all the information, if you are training the people in your lab to recognize a specific microorganism, for example, for the facility or a specific event. Sometimes you think that because the level of microorganisms you have in your facility is quite okay, is good. But when you start to see that there is a number rising and then you don't have any understanding of what is happening in that place, that is a thing to look into. I believe the approach must be more preventive. For example, if you are doing water testing, you will see that before you understand that there is a biofilm forming, you will see that there is a microorganism coming in. And if you have a team that is well trained, that has a lot of information, and they understand what does it mean for the facility and the manufacturing process as a whole, you have more chances to react. You should have in place a system to do identification and then try to work around how control them and how monitor in an efficient way.